What if the wild was full of voices, and you've never truly listened? In the heart of the jungle or your own backyard, animals speak a language older than time. But what are they saying? Take songbirds. Those sweet tunes aren't just for fun. They're love songs or brutal warnings to rivals. Stay out of my territory, or else. A wolf's howl? It's not just haunting, it's a roll call. A pack leader's GPS to reunite a family across miles of wilderness. Elephants rumble in low frequencies we can't even hear. They're whispering across the savannah to comfort a baby or mourn the dead. So next time you hear the night come alive, ask yourself, are you just hearing noise? Or is the wild trying to tell you something? Which animal sound gives you chills or peace? Tell us in the comments.